Hello everyone, as you can see we have a Nest temperature sensor in front of us. If you have a Nest thermostat and you have multiple rooms in your house that have different temperatures, you may want to use this. I have one of these set up in my daughter's room because in the wintertime her room gets colder than every other room in the house. However, in the summertime or in the hotter months, my office becomes the hottest room in the house. So I'd like to be able to set my thermostat to be able to be controlled by my office in the summer and my daughter's room in the winter. So that's what this is going to allow us to do. It's worked out very well for her room. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Take a look at it, see what the setup is like. We'll go ahead and set it up together, and then we'll just go from there. If you have any questions while I'm doing this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. So we do home automation stuff, but we also do other things as well, like going to theme parks, talking about Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series and that sort of thing as well. So go ahead and unbox this here. Probably overkill, but that's all right. And if you have any experience using the Nest temperature sensor, let me know as well. All right, so this is gonna open up. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Literally all there is. There is a screw, and this here is what's going to allow you to basically pull the tab, and then it will activate the battery. All right, so that's it. That's literally it. So this talks about how to use it. Open the Nest app for a complete installation guide. Go ahead and tap the gear icon and then add the Google Nest temperature sensor. So let's go ahead and do that together. We'll do that here. So we'll bring up the app here, but what we'll do is we'll go ahead, not screen mirroring. What am I doing? Start the recording here. And there we go. So we'll go up to our settings and we'll go ahead and do add product. We'll go ahead and scan it. There we go. So we'll click on next. Go ahead and pull that. It's added to our account. Next. Next, and this is going to be upstairs. Next, 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 and this is going to be in my office. And next. Done. And that's all there is to it. There is absolutely nothing to setting this thing up. So now if I go back to here, and as you can see, we now have the office temperature sensor. And it's apparently set to 80 degrees. It's 80 degrees in my office right now. I was wondering why it's a little warm. So we'll go ahead and go to upstairs here and we'll set it to the office. And now everything, I just heard it turn on. There we go. So now we're cooling in here. So that's that. It's that simple to set up the temperature sensor. And now everything upstairs will be cooled to my office temperature. So that's it. Just a quick video, like I said. If you have any questions about the Nest temperature sensor, please feel free to ask down below. Oh, one of the things I didn't say. So this little guy here, he goes for about 40 bucks, but every once in a while they go on sale for between 20 and 30 bucks, and you can buy them in 3 packs as well if you want to save a little money as well. I'll leave a link down in the description area if you are interested in picking one up. If you do not have a Nest thermostat, do not bother picking this thing up because it's not going to work. So with that, again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. So with that, have a great day.